Hello and welcome to the short video about Jaguar XK8 door puddle lights. This is video 68 in my series of XK8 videos. In this video I'm going to show you how I removed, repaired and fitted an LED bulb into the door puddle light. If you're interested in Jaguar XK8, I suggest you subscribe to my channel by pressing the rectangular red subscribe button, clicking the bell to be reminded when videos are issued, click a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you like or dislike the video, and if you have any questions or comments, please add them in the comments section below the video. So first of all, the puddle light location is a little light in the bottom right hand corner of the door. This allows people to see the door. It lights up red so people can see it from behind, to see you've got the door open, and it also shines white below the door to light up in case of any puddles. Here you can see it from another view. You've got the red side marker on the side and the white section on the bottom that allows the white light to illuminate the floor. There's also a very nice little Jaguar emboss on the side, you can see there on the right hand side. I've got the door card on the bench, really just to show how to remove this puddle light. There's a small tab underneath in the white section, and you need to put a screwdriver in to catch the tab underneath. If I just try and show that. You can see there's a small tab. If I try and get the screwdriver in there, you need to push that down and it should just pull off. Let me try and get a different angle. So push that down. Very difficult one-handed. There you are. But basically the action is basically to push this tab down and it disengages a small raised portion here. You can just see the raised portion here. You push that down and the whole unit slides out. So I'll just put it back in now. It literally just slides up and you feel it click. There you go. That's how to take the puddle light off. That was the easy way to do it, obviously with the door card off. You can do it in situ without removing the door card. If you're interested in removing the door card though, it's covered by video 65 and there should be a little flag up at the top right hand corner here. Okay, a word of warning, if you're like me and you like fitting LED bulbs in, this is me fitting the LED bulb in, but I must have stressed it because this bit should actually be stuck on here. But it's broken away. It's broken. So please be careful. These LEDs are quite very tight to fit in the bulb holders. I think it's literally a 90-degree bend on that plastic, and I've been tweaking it. And in taking the door card off, it's disturbed it and broke it all together. So word of warning, with LED bulbs, be careful of stressing the bulb holder on this puddle light. Okay, so a bit of a top tip then. If you want to fit LED bulbs, when you're pushing the LED bulb in or the bulb in, please support the bulb holder from the rear, as I have with my big finger here, or index finger. Please support behind the bulb as you're pushing in to avoid stressing that 90-degree bend. So in order to repair this properly, the broken bit at the back, stick that back on. You can actually take that bit off. If I turn the whole thing over, you should be able to see. It's actually held on with 2 screws. So I'm going to take those screws off and get it on the bench and glue it back together. Okay, so very simply, just get a Phillips screwdriver, undo the 2 screws, and it will reveal a small plastic washer underneath. There's the screw part number and the washer part number. I think both are actually unavailable anymore, but gives you an idea of how they're attached. The plastic spacer, I couldn't find a part number, but it may just be my car that has that packer. If you're interested, when you take the part off, there's a little label underneath that has the part number there, LJA 5370AA for the right hand and 71AA for left hand. As you notice there, the actual bulb holder is made by Heller, which is quite interesting. If you want to find replacements, LJA 5371AB will fit. That's the new version, or 5370AB for the right hand. Now, a bit of information then for anybody's interested. Part numbers ending in odd numbers tend to be left-handed parts, and part numbers ending with even numbers tend to be right-handed. It's a bit of a convention they have in the automotive industry. So moving on, I actually just super glued the two bits back together. It seemed to work quite well. There's a good clean break. Got it on the top of my vise there. Just glued it back together. And if you're interested, the bulb used is just a 5-watt wedge bulb, a W5WT10 501, the standard wedge bulb. So to put it back together, don't forget to put the plastic washers if you have them, and screw it back on. So the Puddle light holder, I've actually used a short LED here, but it will actually fit longer LEDs, as I've used in other parts of the car. This is the longer LED bulb. It's about 20 millimeters long, the actual bulb section. The Puddle light will take bulbs up to 30 millimeters long, longer LEDs if you can find one. One thing of note, be careful with your LED selection, because obviously part of the function of the light is to push light down onto the floor. So you have to find a bulb which has LEDs all the way around, so you get all the red side illuminated and the bottom. That's why I've chosen this quite short LED, but it has LED panels all the way around. Puddle light lens cover then now is quite weak in design. Mine isn't broken, but you can see it's not the strongest, so please be careful when taking it on and off. And finally fitting it back on, just to recap, it's literally engage those two bits of the location and push it on. It's as simple as that. Hopefully you found that of interest if you're looking to remove your Puddle light. Thank you very much for watching. Please click the thumbs up if you liked it. Please share, please comment and subscribe if you'd like to see more XK8 videos.